What's up guys, welcome back to this week's Weekly Wash. I'm Ben from Erase Products, and this week we are going to be cleaning this beautiful but kind of disgustingly dirty ZR1. We got a couple new products that we are excited to share with you, so let's jump right into it. We're going to start off by spraying down the wheels before we apply our all-purpose cleaner, so we give it some time to do its work on the wheel while we go around and rinse off the rest of the car. Next step is we're going to take our wash and wax and put it into our foam cannon. That way, not only is it fun and satisfying to watch, but you get optimal coverage over your car. Alright, now once the entire car is covered, take a clean wash mitt and start scrubbing it in. Now we work from top to bottom, that way you're not dragging any excess dirt up into the paint from the bottom of the car. Okay, we just got done rinsing the entire car off, so there's no soap left on it. Now we're gonna pull it inside so it's not getting beat down on by the hot sun. We just dried off the entire car and removed all the water spots in preparation of our new product, Ceramic Spray. Ceramic Spray is a professionally graded SiO2 formula that provides hydrophobic properties to give you that good beadage on your paint. It also gives you a long-lasting protection and a high gloss shine. Full cure time for our ceramic spray is around 10 minutes, so that means don't apply any water or bring it out into the elements that could damage your freshly coated paint. Okay, we applied ceramic spray to the entire paint and the wheels, and they both look incredible. Final thing we need to do is hop in it and go and rip it on the road.